Hi, welcome to Sivas. Again, this is Coach Cheska. So, bago natin i-discuss yung virtual assistant technicalities, we need to check ourselves first. Kasi alam ko, maraming nagtatanong, para sa akin ba itong trabaho na ito? Naka-destiny ba ako na maging successful virtual assistant? So, I will discuss about how to set up the right mindset. Okay? May mga 10 katanungan ako dito na you need to answer it for yourself. Maglalaan ka ng oras mo, 5 minuto, 30 minutos, isusulat mo yung mga sagot mo. Pag-isipan mong mabuti, be honest kasi sarili mo ito. Then, along the way, pag nasagutan mo lahat ng 10 tanong na ito, it will give you clarity. Right? And malalaman mo kung paano mo rin siya i-resolve. Again, without the right mindset, you cannot be successful kahit sa anong larangan yan. Okay? So, here's the first question. What is my personal vision of success look like? Sa tingin mo, yung success para sa'yo, pera ba to o freedom ba to? Kasi magkakaiba tayo ng definition ng success. Sa iba, they maybe think na pera, that's okay for them. Sa iba, success for them is to have a peaceful life and happy life with their kids, with their family. Alright? So, hindi to laging pera-pera lang. So being successful is not about money. So you have to put down your answers sa notebook mo. Ano ba sa'yo ang personal vision mo ng success? Second, how much money you wanted to make? How much time freedom you want to have? Ito yung mga katanungan mo sa sarili mo na, okay, what will be my ideal life is? So yung having an ideal life, napaka-broad niya, napakalawak. At dito na mag-fall yung gaano kadaming pera ang gusto mo, gaano mo kagusto magkaroon ng mga financial na mga bagay-bagay, ng mga material na mga bagay-bagay, or mga about time freedom. So, isulat mo lahat kung ano yung dream ideal life mo. Alright? And then, next question. Question number 3. What is my biggest limiting belief right now? Ito kasi yung mga bagay-bagay na nag-hold back sa atin. Ano-ano yung mga kwento sa back end ng isip mo, ng mind mo. Dahil ba na wala kang experience? Dahil kulang ka sa confidence? Naiisip mo na baka hindi ka ma-hire? Or mga naiisip mo, ano pang mga istorya ng mga naiisip mo at the back of your mind? Those stories in your mind are the things that are stopping you to move on. So, isulat mo lahat yon. And then, question number 4 is, if I don't make it, what will cost me on the long run? So, kung hindi mo gagawin ito ngayon, ano mangyayari? Or kung gagawin mo man ito ngayon, ano rin ang mangyayari? Is there something you will be losing sa pag ginawa mo to? Or pag hindi mo ginawa, ano? So you have to write it down as well, right? Number 5 is what level of commitment I can give on this to be successful. Guys, lahat ng bagay kailangan natin ng commitment. Without your commitment, wala pa din, because success cannot be done overnight. Yung mga bagay-bagay na mga kamalian natin, what we usually do is we do things, magkakamali tayo, madadapa tayo, but the important thing is when we fall, we have to get up and do all over again. Ganun dapat yung commitment natin. So, you have to write it down again. Kung gaano ka committed, be honest to yourself. Kasi this will be your promise to yourself na you have to keep. So let's say for example, all in yung commitment mo na I'll do my best, like 8 hours, ganito. Or partly lang, yung sakto lang, chillax lang. Or sometimes, try ko lang, baka ganito, baka hindi, di ba? But you need to know how yung level ng commitment mo. Because again, your success depends on your commitment. And number 6, have I decided to take action? Na-figure out mo na yung mga limiting belief mo, yung mga nag-hold back sa'yo. Na-figure out mo na. Ngayon, nag-decide ka na ba to take action on it? Or may ginawa ka ba para mabago mo yon? Let's say for example, sabi mo, hindi kasi ako marunong mag-English eh. Yun yung nag-i-stop sa'yo. That's your limiting belief. That is stopping you to do so and move forward. Ngayong alam mo na hindi ka pala ganun kagaling mag-English, what did you do? Did you take action? Or you're just hoping na bukas, kalawa, magigising ka na lang, fluent ka ng mag-English. Na something na parang may magic lang na andyan na. Alright? So you have to write down all those things. Nakapag-decision ka ba? Anong action ang gagawin mo dun sa mga limiting belief mo? Okay? And not just hoping. I hope you're not just hoping. And number 7, how and what action do I need to take to succeed on this journey? Saan ka man magtratrabaho sa simula, mahirap. Sa first step, mahirap. Pero, you need to make sure na may mga ginagawa ka araw-araw. Small step every day. Learn new things every day para makamove on ka to the next step. Okay? And then, number 8, you cannot find the answer. How often I search for an answer or you ask an advice to someone. So, hirap ka na maghanap ng mga sagot sa mga katanungan mo. Hirap ka nang i-figure out mga bagay-bagay. Ang tanong, may ginawa ka rin ba to reach out to your friends, to anyone, and ask help? Kasi ang dami-daming tao dyan na genuine yung heart nila to help others. Genuine yung heart nila to help you and push you then na umangat, umayos. And they are there to answer all your questions and guide you. Okay? So, kung yun din na nag-push back, yun din yung nagiging limiting belief mo na, hindi ko kasi mahanap yung sagot. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko. Then you stop from there. Alam ko, we can do Google, we can do YouTube, but sometimes there are things na kahit pinapakinggan mo na siya, pag hindi mo tinanong sa iba and then the other person will explain it to you, mas naliliwanagan ka. So do not stop in asking help sa mga kakilala, sa mga friends. Alright? And then number 9, who do I need to become in order for me to be successful or to succeed? Ano ba ang gusto mong maging ikaw? Yung parang ako kasi I want to succeed as a person. So, ang mga what I prioritize right now is like learning, connecting sa mga tao na, sa mga coaches, sa mga life coach, yung mga mindset coaches, yung mga yan. Kasi I want to be successful sa pagiging virtual assistant and then transition to have my own virtual assistant agency. So, what did I do? And what I am doing right now is studying and then learning new things every day. And then, nagsasend ako ng connections via LinkedIn, Facebook, and other social platform na nakikipag-connect ako sa mga life coaches sa iba-ibang bansa. And active ako na nagre-reply sa mga lahat ng post nila so that they will notice me. And yes, they are noticing me. Alright? So, dapat alam mo kung anong gusto mong maging ikaw para magiging successful ka. You need to know, mabivision mo yung buhay mo, mabivision mo yung sarili mo. Okay? And then, last question is, what is stopping you for doing it? So, lahat na ano ba talaga yung nag-i-stop sa'yo na parang, ayaw ko sa virtual assistant, ayaw ko sa ganito. What is stopping you? Okay, so you need to think and write it down. Be honest to yourself. And always remember that success is a series of small steps that went well. Lagi mong iisipin ano yung next step mo and what is stopping you to do it. Alright? So, yun lang, and I hope it will give you clarity para mag-guide ka kung talagang ano ba yung mga decision mo sa buhay mo and how to become successful, not being just a VA, but sa mga business mo, sa mga future business na gusto mo, or sa other work na gusto mo. Alright? Thank you so much and hope this helped you. See you on the next video.